spun by the exhaust. So the exhaust that comes out spins the turbo, and in a regular application, it's spinning the turbo about 80 or 90,000 RPMs.
So that's why it helps go into combo as well, right? Because you go up higher altitude with a non-turbocharged car, you lose power, but with turbocharger, it helps to maintain power.
Yeah, and use very little. When I raced at Pikes Peak with a turbocharged vehicle, I think they figured our loss at 14,000 feet was about 13%. And when it normally aspirated, it was more than 50.
So it's a significant change. So the difference in turbocharger versus supercharger.
The supercharger is basically driven off the engine. It's driven by a belt, typically off the crankshaft, and that's just taking the air and forcing it and ramming it in on the intake side. But just instead of driving by exhaust, you're driving by a belt.
So a little more blunt, or that you adding horsepower.
It's different. It's efficient. They're now very efficient. I have a front wrap for a truck and it's supercharged, and it's crazy how much power it takes. But it's really efficient. It works better on bigger engines than smaller engines. It's just a whole different way to do it. And turbos are still pretty much a simple way. You got the exhaust gas to use it.
So this is not a stock 959. Hard to believe. I mean, I'm calling it 959 stock. That's silly, but because it's such a basically buffed out, pumped up 911, and I'm embarrassing myself. That's kind of almost being rude to the 959. But Bruce, if you don't know, Bruce has a phenomenal facility out in Scotts Valley where he was originally involved in importing 959s. If I'm not mistaken, but then he has now taken the 959, the stock 959, and turned it into what we'll call the Bruce version. It's also called the SC, but they can tell a little bit about the difference between the stock and the SC.
Well, at this point in time, Porsche asked us early in the year how many 959s we've imported and gone through our shop. Just to give you a little background, there were 292 total 959s built. And as of this year, 123 of them have gone through our shop. And it's still my favorite car, so it's real simple to keep doing this.